Hey everyone, James here. Today on Blogging Good Food, we are making homemade glass donuts. They are easier than you think, and trust me, they are melt in your mouth. Delicious. First, we will activate the yeast in warm milk with sugar, then we will mix in eggs, melted butter, and flour to create a soft dough. Kneading it for a few minutes helps develop a smooth texture. Rise and shine. We will let the dough rise until it doubles in size. This takes about an hour, but it's worth the wait. The yeast creates those lovely air pockets that make donuts light and fluffy. Shaping up. Once the dough is ready, we will roll it out and use a donut cutter or biscuit cutters to create those classic donut shapes. Don't worry about perfect circles, imperfections add to their charm. Second, rise. After shaping, the donuts get another shot. Rise to become even puffier. While they rise, we can heat up some oil for frying. Golden goodness. We will fry the donuts in batches until they are golden brown on both sides. A gentle flip with chopsticks keeps them from tearing. Sweet and simple glaze. The glaze is a breeze to make. We will whisk powdered sugar with milk and vanilla extract until smooth. This glaze gives the donuts a beautiful sheen and adds a touch of sweetness. Dipping delight. One by one we will dunk the warm donuts into the glaze, letting them soak up that sugary goodness. The big finish. Finally, we will place the glazed donuts on a wire rack to let the glaze set. And then the best part, enjoying these homemade treats. Remember, keep an eye on the oil temperature while frying. Don't overcrowd the pan when frying the donuts. Leftovers can be reheated in the microwave for a few seconds. If you enjoy this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more delicious creations. Check out our website for more baking tips and tricks.